Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best chucks for Wood Lathe that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the 4-inch Wood Lathe chuck set. The D-Fine chuck set is most versatile for woodturners who need reliable clamping across a wide range of workpiece sizes. It handles up to 102 millimeters in diameter and fits both 1-inch 8 TPI and 3/4-inch 9/16 TPI spindle lathes. You get dual-direction jaw installation, letting you switch between positive and negative clamping as your project demands. The chromium vanadium steel construction with blackened finish resists rust without much upkeep. At 4.1 stars from 249 reviews, it's a dependable choice backed by a 30-day return policy. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Wood Lathe chuck. Woodturners seeking a top 3-jaw option will appreciate Hawosi's 3-inch chuck, which fits any lathe with a 1-inch by 8 TPI spindle. Its self-centering, self-tightening design eliminates repeated calibration, saving you setup time. The reversible step jaws handle both internal and external workpieces, giving you genuine versatility. You'll also get 2 wrenches, plus both MT1 and MT2 arbor shanks, right out of the box. Built from alloy steel and weighing 1.62 kilograms, it's sturdy without being cumbersome. Amazon's 30-day return guarantee backs your purchase, so you're not taking any risk trying it out. At number 3, we have the Nova self-centering Wood Lathe key chuck set. Serious hobbyists and professionals seeking a professional-grade chuck set won't be disappointed by Nova's self-centering Wood Lathe key chuck set. Built from high-grade K1045 steel with electric nickel plating, it resists rust and delivers precise, stable performance. You get a complete kit: chuck body, 4 jaw types, T-Allen wrench, tightening gear key, and a spindle adapter covering 1 to 8 TPI and 3/4 and 16 TPI lathes. It handles swings up to 14 inches and bowls up to 12 inches. The self-centering, self-locking mechanism keeps your workpiece secure throughout every cut. Vinwax backs it with a product warranty and Amazon's 30-day return policy. At number 2, we have the 3-inch self-centering Wood Lathe chuck set. Whether you're a hobbyist or a beginner turner, this budget-friendly pick, the 3-inch self-centering Wood Lathe chuck set, delivers reliable performance without breaking the bank. Its CNC cast steel construction guarantees precision and durability, while the self-centering 3-jaw design handles both round and square workpieces. You can install the jaws in positive or negative directions and adjust them independently for a superior grip. The 1/8 TPI threaded collet makes mounting and dismounting quick and easy. At 1.11 kilograms, it's compatible with wood lathes, grinders, and milling machines, and it backs you with a 30-day return guarantee. And finally, at number 1, we have the ArtyMaster 2 Mini 3-jaw self-centering lathe chuck. Woodturners seeking a top-tier mini chuck will find the ArtyMaster 2-inch Mini 3-jaw self-centering lathe chuck worth considering, especially if you're working with compact setups or smaller projects. It clamps workpieces ranging from 3 to 42 millimeters and braces up to 50 millimeters, giving you solid versatility despite its small size. The CNC machined alloy steel construction delivers accuracy and durability, while the self-centering jaws guarantee consistent alignment. It fits the ArtyMaster WM101 lathe and any wood lathe with an M18 x 1.5 mm spindle thread. At 0.43 kilograms, it's lightweight yet capable, and it's backed by a 30-day return guarantee.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.